Excel button to download the most recent survey data. When it's downloaded, I open it in Excel. Next, I navigate to this internal site. I click on Surveys and upload new survey data. Seems like the Excel file didn't open, so let me click on it to open it again. And then once the file is open, I want to copy over all the data from Excel into this internal analytics tool. I want to copy over the data row by row, and after each row, I click Submit. And that's it. Now, the analysis is taking place, and we're transforming this recording into an automation. But I'm sure you're wondering how. How do we take a recording and make an automation? Let me tell you. We're leveraging GPT-4o to perform this analysis. And there are three essential components we need to do this. The first, the video recording. The recording will be used by the model to understand what I want the automation to do. Second, the voice transcriptions. As you see here, as I was speaking, my voice was being transcribed. This transcription would be used to provide instructions and logic such as loops and conditionals to the model. This goes beyond a simple macro recording. And then finally, the UI elements. Copilot understands the structure of my screens, the structure of the applications I'm using, the structure of the web pages. And this allows it to refer to specific UI elements, such as the form fields I showed here. Now for you, this analysis may take just a few minutes, but let's have a look at a flow that was built by Copilot. Isn't this incredible? Now I want to highlight some amazing things. As you can see, Copilot grouped my automation into regions, keeping the flow neat. And some other things here, I can see that Copilot accurately identified that I would need a for loop. Why? Because if you remember, as I was speaking, I mentioned I wanted to copy over the data from Excel into the tool row by row. So of course, I would need a loop to do this. And then finally, if you look here, Copilot accurately mapped the columns from Excel into the form fields in the web page. Pretty amazing, right? And let's have a look at this populate text field on web page. Copilot not only accurately identified the correct UI element, but also the right syntax. And like I said, this is just a suggested flow. So of course I can go in and edit the flow as I please. I can make changes if I please. But this flow looks pretty good, so I'm gonna leave it as is, and the moment of truth. Let's run this flow to see how it operates. I click run. The flow is running, and I'm stepping out from behind the computer. You can see my hands up here, so I'm clearly not touching the computer. And as you can see, the flow is performing exactly as demonstrated from a simple recording. Now, the bank can use this automation to streamline the manual process, virtually eliminating errors, and giving them back the time to do what truly matters. And that's providing exceptional financial services to their customers. Thank you, everyone. Back to you, Kelly.